Chios Island, Greece. Discover the unique charm of the Aegean's hidden gem. Imagine an island where medieval villages meet sparkling beaches, and the air is filled with the sweet aroma of mastic trees. Welcome to Chios, a hidden gem in the northeastern Aegean Sea. Known for its rich history, unique architecture, and unspoiled beauty, Chios offers an authentic Greek island experience that is still off the beaten path. If you're a traveler seeking cultural depth, scenic landscapes, and a taste of local tradition, Chios is a destination that will exceed all expectations. Chios is famous for its medieval villages, particularly the Mastihohoria, a cluster of fortified villages in the southern part of the island. These villages, such as Pyrgi and Mesta, are known for their intricate black and white geometric designs on the walls, a unique form of architecture found only in Chios. Walking through the narrow alleys of these ancient settlements, you'll feel as though you've stepped back in time. These villages also produce mastic, a rare resin extracted from mastic trees, which is used in everything from local dishes to cosmetics. The island is also home to the stunning Neomoni Monastery, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This Byzantine monastery, with its intricate mosaics and serene atmosphere, is one of the most important religious monuments in Greece. Whether you're interested in history, spirituality, or simply admiring the craftsmanship of centuries past, Neomoni is a must-see. Chios boasts some of the most beautiful and unspoiled beaches in the Aegean. From the crystal-clear waters of Mastihohoria, with its unique black pebbles, to the serene sandy shores of Karphis, the island offers a variety of coastal experiences. Whether you want to relax by the sea or indulge in water sports, Chios beaches provide the perfect setting. The island's culinary scene is equally captivating. Chios is renowned for its local products, particularly its mastic, which flavors everything from liqueurs to sweets. Traditional dishes such as mastilo, lamb slow-cooked in mastic, and local cheeses add a unique twist to classic Greek cuisine, making every meal a delightful experience. Chios is a destination that harmoniously blends history, natural beauty, and local culture, offering a journey into the heart of authentic Greece. What's the first thing you'd love to explore on this enchanting island?